What is up everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to fix the voice chat issue on Rainbow Six Siege. Honestly, nothing is worse than calling for backup and getting crickets in return. So whether your squad can't hear you or you can't hear them, in this video we've got you covered. So the first thing you want to try is simply check your mic. Now, I know it sounds cliche, but don't worry, stick with me here. Make sure your mic or headset is actually plugged in properly. And if it is, simply test it in another app or game, such as Discord, Xbox, PlayStation Party, and so on. So this just makes sure it's not the mic itself. But if that's all good, the second thing you can try is the classic turn it off and turn it on again. Yep. So simply try restarting Rainbow Six Siege, your PC or console, or even your router, because sometimes bugs can be tied to your internet connection. And the final thing is to simply check the voice settings on the game. So simply go to settings, audio, then voice chat. Then from there, simply make sure the voice chat volume isn't turned down. Then also make sure to check what voice chat record mode it's set to. So this could be open mic if you don't want to use a button, or it can also be push to talk. So if it is, then make sure you know the correct key, which is usually U on PC. So I really hope these tips worked. If they did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.